According to latest media reports, French aircraft manufacturer Dassault Aviation and India's Hindustan Aeronautics have started a fresh round of discussion related with the work share on additional orders of Rafale fighter jets. Top experts have said that HAL facilities could be used for the assembly of next batch of Rafale fighter jets, and this will also help its Nasik facility, as it has delivered the full complement of 272 Su-30 fighter jets to the Indian Air Force, and the facility would fall idle by 31st March 2020. Dassault Aviation and Hindustan Aeronautics have already worked together on the $2.1 billion upgrade of the Indian Air Force's fleet of Mirage 2000 fighter jets. The first truck-mounted AK-630 close-in defense system has completed internal trials by Ordnance Factory Board, and it is now completely ready for user trials by the Indian Army. The AK-630 is manufactured locally by India's Ordnance Factory at a very high indigenization level of 95.6%. It features a fire-control radar system, and can target unmanned aerial vehicles, heavy mortar shells and artillery shells at a distance of 5 kilometers, and it can also be remotely controlled by an operator. Ahead of US President Donald Trump's visit next week, India's Cabinet Committee on Security has cleared the $2.4 billion deal for procuring 24 MH-60 anti-submarine helicopters for the Indian Navy, and it is expected that signing of the contract will take place during the visit. Top officials have said that the letter of acceptance has also been issued from the US government, and both the countries have reached a final stage in the $1.86 billion deal for NASAMS 2 air defense system. A leading Indian manufacturer of technical textiles has acquired the transfer of technology from the DRDO for manufacturing of combat free-fall parachute systems in India, which will provide total solutions to paratroopers for jumping from a height of 30,000 feet, and can glide up to 30 kilometers range. After India backed away from the FGFA project, Russia have started to take a positive view of the export prospects of the Su-57 to China, and now it is no longer concerned about the prospect of intellectual property theft by China. Top experts have said that Russia no longer believes that it has a technological lead over China, and the benefits of the Su-57 sale will outweigh the cost of its development. Acquiring the Su-57 fighter jet would allow the Chinese to more effectively concentrate their indigenous efforts on long-range strike interception fighter jets and carrier aviation. The Indian Navy is facing critical requirement of minesweeping vessels, as the last minesweeper was finally decommissioned in April 2019. Russia has sent technical proposals under the Navy's minesweeper program to establish licensed production of Alexandrite-class minesweepers in India, and Russia is waiting for a response from the Indian side.